Hi everybody, it's the Juilliard here at Artful Element Studio, and today we are doing a DIY easy gift. These pins are perfect gifts. They're all different colors and readily available. Okay, so we're going to select some fusion films, our favorite colors, and some UV resin from the Epoxy Resin store, or you could use the liquid diamonds, two-part. But it comes in two pieces. You've got the bottom section, which is great because it is refillable. And then we've got the top section that allows us to put in our fusion film or art pieces, right? So you're gonna find a piece of film that fits that section that you like. I'm gonna add on some 3M adhesive. This is just gonna make it easier and let it hold the cylinder shape for sliding it in, okay? I've cut it. Now do pay attention to the orientation of the film. Make sure before you cut that it's rolling the way that you want, the pattern the way that you want, just so you're saving on your material, okay? And here I am going to cut it to size. And then we will peel the back off and then simply just roll it up. Now you want to pay attention to the diameter, right? We want to roll it up tight enough that it's going to just slide right into the acrylic of the pin head. And then once we get that rolled up, now to save on material here, you wouldn't have to do as big a piece in width as I did. You could just do it enough just to fit inside, but I went ahead and rolled it up. Now there we go. And look how pretty that is. It's but it's even going to get even prettier when we add the resin. It'll magnify it. And it looks like those pins that the wood turners, turn the acrylic blanks, but we didn't have to do that, okay? So now we'll take it back apart, and it's time to put in the resin. You could slide the piece out and put some resin in first, and then put the film in, but you risk it overflowing. So I like to just put a little bit in at a time, and curing in between if at all possible, especially if your film is very opaque and light can't travel through it. We need to cure from that end, so do it in stages, okay? And then bubbles, just tap them out if you want. But other than that, look at that. It magnified it, and look how pretty. So like I said, I cure it from the top. I do it in vertical at first. That way, when I lay it down, it can finish curing out the other way, and it's no chance of it, pouring out the end on us, okay? And then we'll check it out. I use a little bit of super glue around the flange part and put it together, and there we have it. A perfect gift. And then you find those little boxes, the black boxes to put it in, and you're good to go. So now I'm going to show you another one, just to show you the color variations. The film comes in so many different colors, and the pins come in so many different colors. So here I've selected another piece. I'm going to do the same process. Put the adhesive on, trim it to fit, roll it up, making sure that everything looks good in the way that I want it. Get it all fitted right. And then we're going to dry fit. Look at the colors of that one. With those purples and greens and golds. Just lovely. And so now you'll backfill it and cure it. And just like before, we'll add a little bit of super glue to that flange area, put it in. And then whenever you give it as the gift, they just slide out the bottom portion and change out the ink, and we're good to go. So there's the gifts. Hope you had fun making them, or hope you will have fun making them. And keep creating, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.